Good communication is a required competency across all categories of optometric practice as defined by the WCO competency model. Good patient communication drives better patient satisfaction. It drives better compliance. It drives better outcomes, and it also reduces the risk of litigation. But the way that information is presented and processed is changing at an ever-increasing rate. And as optometrists, we must make certain that we are communicating in a way that our patients understand. My name is Davies. I've been studying communication across my career. Sunday, 27th of October, 1 o'clock, I'm going to be presenting a class on good communication optometric practice. I really hope you're going to be there because I've got some very, very firm, clear tips on how you can improve your patient satisfaction. I really look forward to seeing you then.